Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make beef pastels, which is a savory cornmeal pie with a beef filling that is traditionally eaten during the Christmas season in Trinidad. You will be seeing the entire step-by-step process, from the preparing of the beef filling and the singeing of the fig leaves to wrapping the pastels and steaming it. So if you are interested in seeing this, please keep watching and don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out any of our upcoming amazing content. So guys, we have about 3 pounds of minced beef here. We have olives chopped up, raisins, all the seasonings together with the salt and the pepper, ketchup, mustard, as well as some minced green seasoning, pimento and garlic. So the first thing we're gonna do is prep the beef and wash it with some lemon to take away the freshness from it. Right, and then we're gonna show you all how to make the beef filling for the pastel. So this is the lemon juice that we add in. Just gonna give it a quick turn here. This should be able to take away all the freshness from the beef. So we have the pot here that's on high heat, and we're gonna add the minced beef to this to help dry it up a bit. So guys, you see here that the minced beef has partially cooked. It has changed color, and now we're gonna add the different types of seasoning to it. So first thing we're gonna add is the green seasoning, then the minced garlic, and the minced pimentos. We're now gonna add some salt, as well as some black pepper, and some cayenne pepper along with that. And we're gonna give this a quick stir. So the next thing we're gonna add is some dried parsley, as well as some oregano and some chili flakes. We're also gonna add some Bertie's pepper sauce, a mild version, and give that a quick stir as well. So guys, this smells absolutely amazing. So the last thing that we're gonna add is the olives, together with the raisins, and now we're gonna add some mustard, as well as some ketchup. And we're gonna stir this together. And you all can add whatever more ingredients to your liking. So there you guys have it, the beef filling for your pastels. So guys, these are some fresh fig leaves that we just cut, and we're gonna wash it and then blanch it and use it to wrap the pastels.